Welcome to our exploration of top-paying pharmaceutical jobs in America. Discover how this industry blends advanced science, strategic business, and impactful healthcare to offer lucrative career opportunities. The Chief Medical Officer is the top earner in pharma, with an average total compensation of $450,000 and potential top-end salary of $800,000 at major firms. This role requires over 15 years of experience, overseeing clinical strategy, medical affairs, and regulatory direction. An MD or MD-PhD is essential, with extensive clinical research and drug development experience. The Vice President of Clinical Development earns $280,000 to $400,000 annually, leading clinical trials and managing Food and Drug Administration submissions. The Vice President of Regulatory Affairs, with a salary of $250,000 to $380,000, navigates regulatory pathways. Biopharmaceutical scientists, earning $200,000 to $320,000, focus on biologics and complex drug formulations, a rapidly growing field. Commercial roles are crucial in driving revenue for pharmaceutical companies. Top sales leaders often out-earn scientific peers. Key positions include National Sales Director, earning $220,000 to $350,000 plus equity. Vice President of Marketing, with $230,000 to $370,000 total compensation. And Key Account Manager, earning $150,000 to $230,000 with bonuses. Emerging high-pay specialties in medicine include roles like gene therapy scientist, earning $210,000 to $330,000, focusing on CRISPR and adeno-associated virus therapies. Artificial intelligence drug discovery leads make $200,000 to $310,000 by leveraging machine learning. Pharmacovigilance directors earn $190,000 to $280,000, ensuring drug safety. Health economics outcomes specialists, earning $180,000 to $270,000, demonstrate drug value through economic modeling. Combining advanced credentials with leadership in high-growth areas like oncology or rare diseases leads to top salaries. Oncology specialists in Boston or San Francisco earn 40% above the national average. Equity and stock options at pre-initial public offering biotechs can significantly boost compensation by $100,000 to $500,000 plus over a vesting period. To excel in a top pharma career, pursue advanced degrees like Doctor of Medicine, Doctor of Philosophy, Doctor of Pharmacy, or Master of Business Administration. Specialize in high-value areas such as oncology, gene therapy, or artificial intelligence-driven drug discovery. Target high-paying markets like Boston, San Francisco, or New York. Aim for leadership roles, as vice president and C-suite positions offer significant salary increases.